Hello, and welcome to the MiDOG Portal walkthrough. In this video, we'll go over how to access your MiDOG lab portal and where to find records such as your results, order history, and patient information. First, navigate to the MiDOG website at www.midogtest.com and select the Customer Portal tab in the top right-hand corner. You can then also click Log In, which will take you to the portal login screen. You should receive your portal activation email upon creating an account at the email you put on file for your results, which will contain your username and temporary password. The first landing page that you will see is the labs page, which shows your sample results. Samples can be filtered based off of the sample tube ID, the sample type, the patient's name, the pet owner's name, the veterinarian that ordered the test, the status of the sample, and the date that the test was received by the lab. The statuses for the reports will be pending fulfillment, processing tube, or report published. Pending fulfillment means that the sample has not yet been received by the lab and is likely still in the clinic. Processing tube means that the sample has been received by the MiDOG lab team and is currently processing. There will then be a received date populated with this status, as well as an expected report ready date in the report date column. And once the report is ready, the status will be report published, and you'll be able to see the results by clicking on the icon in the far left-hand corner. And this will bring you to a PDF copy of your results. For any tubes that are pending or processing that are missing patient information, we'll have an Add Patient Details button here. Once a sample has been collected, you can click this button and put in the details for that corresponding sample tube ID. And once done, you can hit Save Changes and then return to results. If any of the samples are a research report and not a clinical report, you can also view the research link by clicking on the sample tube ID and scrolling down to the bottom. And you will have another button here for downloading the research results. To view any of your clinic's information, you can click on the clinic name in the top right-hand corner. You can edit account settings by selecting Edit Account Settings and updating any information that you have provided, such as the phone number, fax number, time zone, the main street address for the clinic, the shipping and/or billing addresses if they are different, and any information can be saved by clicking on Save Information. You can also add new clinic users by selecting Create New User and including their information here. Please note that all users must have a unique email address, so if an email address is already being used, another user cannot be created with the same email address. You can go ahead and fill in the necessary fields. Clinic admin allows for a user to place orders on behalf of the clinic. And once complete, you can select Create User. To view information on your user, you can go ahead and select your email address below the clinic name in the top right-hand corner. And you can see your user's account settings, the order history, as well as your profile. To see the clinic's order history, click Order History. And you can search by various statuses depending on the status of the order, whether it has been processed by the MiDOG team, if all of the sample IDs have been returned to the clinic, or if an order has been placed on hold. But all orders from the clinic can be viewed here on order history. To view your user profile and make any changes, you can go ahead and select Profile underneath the order history on the top right-hand corner. This will show you your user, email, name, and give you the option to edit your profile, update your email, and change your password. To navigate back to the main page, please select either Labs or the MiDOG logo in the top left-hand corner. The next tab is the test guide. Here you can view information on the collection kit types, the small size swab, the urine collection kit, and the swab collection kit. And there are also videos available here for report interpretation as well as navigating the MiDOG lab portal. The next tab is the consultation tab. On this tab, you can request clinical consultations on any report. Every MiDOG report includes free consultation, and you can request new consultations by selecting New Consultation and view any upcoming consultations by selecting on Upcoming Consultation. To schedule a new one, select New Consultation and fill in the necessary information on the report you would like to consult on, as well as any details on the patient history and your availability. Once done, you can select Create Consultation. The next tab will be for supplies. If you'd like to order any additional collection supplies, each kit contains 5 collection devices, and you can select up to 5 of each collection kit in an order. You can do so by selecting Add to Cart and changing the quantity here. Collection devices are free, but there is a domestic shipping fee of $17.50 applied to each order in the United States. For international shipping estimates, please reach out to our customer service team at info@midogtest.com. And once you have completed your order, you can go ahead and select Submit Order. The next tab is for requesting additional documents. You can request additional labels for a return shipment by selecting Request Document and then selecting Request Prepaid Label. You can view previous requests on the landing page and request new labels by selecting Request New Label. You can fill in all fields here. Select domestic for the United States and international for non-United States addresses. Once you have finished completing all the necessary information, you can select Submit Prepaid Label Request, and our team will be in contact with additional labels for you. For requesting any additional international documents, such as commercial invoices and import letters, you can go ahead and go back to the Request Documents page and select International Documents. Similar to the prepaid labels, you can view past requests on the landing page and request new documents by selecting New Commercial Invoice. From here, you can go ahead and select which document you would like to receive, and then fill in all of the necessary information here. And once you have finished, go ahead and submit your invoice request. And our team will be in contact shortly with the necessary documents. The next page is our Frequently Asked Questions page. This page contains information on portal accounts, placing orders, billing options, collecting samples, viewing sample status, navigating results, resources for interpretation, and other frequently asked questions. To view anything in a particular category, select the header to expand the section. Anything not included on the Frequently Asked Questions tab, please select Contact Us for our customer support contact details.